loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Faye. It's good to have you here. Please join the family. Click on the subscribe button down below and make sure you hit that bell button so you get notified every time I have a new video up. So I did this hair and makeup transformation because I was frankly tired of sitting at home looking like I've been pulled out of the gutter. Yeah, so I did a hair and makeup transformation. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. As usual, every single product that I used is listed in the description box down below, so definitely check that out. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. I'll definitely get to it, and I'll see you guys at the end. Oh, I'm tired of looking like a bum and all of that, so I'm about to do my makeup. So for foundation today, I'm using my new Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. I've used this foundation just once on myself and I have a couple of issues with the way it applies, but it's not bad and it's a good match for my skin tone. So while using it again, before I apply foundation, I'm going to apply a little bit of this oil control cream from Pond's on my oily areas to like bring down the shine, bro. But there's something that's bothering me, you guys. There's something that's disturbing my brain at the moment. So this fox eye trend, yeah, why? Like, I feel like it's something like Ghanaian, Nigerian makeup artists have been doing for the longest time, and now people from outside are coming to like claim ownership of the trend. And I don't know if I should be upset about it, because like, well, nobody actually really owns makeup, you know, but still, foundation looks good. It sits well. It says on the container that it's the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. This is in full coverage. I would say like a medium coverage at best, because I can still see my spots, even though like I have gone over the areas where I have spots with a second coat of foundation. I still see my spots. But when people are so over this corona situation, like the guys in this area meet up literally every morning at this point to play ball. And like, I don't see how you can play ball with social distancing. Don't make sense to me. So obviously they are not practicing social distancing, and obviously I'm shook, because why? As we practice social distancing where there's a virus. Actually, let me just do my brows off camera. You guys don't need to see all of this. If you want to see a brow tutorial, a full brow tutorial where I show you guys how I do my brows, I'll leave it up here somewhere, so definitely check that out. I'll be right back. Okay, so sis is back and sis is ready to beat her face. My cheeks have gone big. For my eyeshadow base today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix in a little bit of my foundation, which is the Revolution one, with I'm going to mix in a little bit of my foundation with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, which is the shade I used to highlight. Okay, so to set all of that in place, I'm grabbing my Morphe 3502 palette and I'm taking this skin tone shade Okay, this one, I'm going to be packing that lightly all over my lid, because you see the eyeshadow I'm coming to do. The eyeshadow I'm going to do it. Unless you will leave this place for me. I'm gonna be wild. Myself, I'm wild. I'm gonna take this my small brush, you know. It's like a flat, not really flat, but like not really fluffy. It's just a brush, you know, just a brush. I gotta grab that brush, and I'm going to take my Pigment pigment. I'm going to take this, dip my brush in, tap off the excess, and just place it right here. So repeat until I packed enough of the pink in my inner corner. Yeah, okay, so I'm just going to put the extra towards the inner part of my eyes, not too far in. I just want to concentrate all of the shadow, all of the neon pigment in the innermost part of my eyes. Yeah, I'm going to be doing the same thing downwards. See the thing I did up? I'm going to be doing the same thing downwards. So I'm turning my brush like this, and that's it. So now that I've gotten it downwards, I'm going to be putting some of this in my lower lash line. But to do that, I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. Put some on the back of my hand. So I'm taking this brush, it's an angled brush, and I'm going to be picking up some of this and then putting it in on my lash line. It looks so different. I wish I had contacts, because like it'll make that look so much better, but I can't wear contacts because I cannot see. I've wiped that brush off, and I'm taking the same brush, dipping it into my neon pigment, tapping off the excess and pressing it right onto the jumbo pencil thingy I've done. So I'm basically just going to be concealing the rest of my face like I'll normally do. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes, my forehead, bridge of my nose. You guys know the drill. And I'm going to run through it so that this video isn't too long and I don't bore you guys to death with my whole face routine, okay? So I'm coming in a little bit closer to show you guys how I do my wing. So I'm going to take my gel liner and I'm going to draw a simple line going right up, so just like this, and then I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other eye. Instead of starting at the very tip of the line that I've drawn, I'll come down just a little bit. like that. So now I have my wing. That's simple. So I'm just going to fill this in real quick. I'm going to bring this back in, so just from the tip of I'm going to bring this in just slightly, you see. I'm guessing that that is it for the eyes, so I'm going to go on and do the rest of my face, then I'll come and do my hair. So this is the end of the video, guys. This is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, please. Join the family, okay? And if you've watched this far, comment the lipstick emoji down below so I know that you watched this far, okay? Yeah, great. Before I go, the giveaway winner will be announced on my Instagram, so please make sure that you check that out. Also guys, I'm really trying to stick to an upload schedule, so for the most part, I won't say for the most part, please expect new videos every Thursday. So I'll try and have a new video up every Thursday. So yeah, that's my upload schedule for the next month at least. Yeah, so that's it. Like, that's all I have to say. I'll be rambling, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this far. I'll see you guys in my next one.